so I will start again. You see, we tried to add from the last class. We ended, and there was some kind of haphazard layout. So today we try to add. We added all the social media icons. These are from what Font Awesome CSS, the Twitter, F Instagram, F YouTube. Okay, so because when we added that, it dislodged everything and made the link was changed. So I floated everything to the right. Okay, so here the next thing that we will do is to call it, call the list there. Okay, what do I want to do also? I want to and say list style type of none. Okay, I don't want these dots. I don't want them. So if I refresh, they will be gone. So the next thing is to float them. Float left. Okay, they will be floated to the left. So you see that now they are floated. I have to give them some margins. Margin of 10 pixels to separate the content. See, now can you see that they are now floated to the left? Does that look nice?
Yes,
okay.
sir. Looks
So
nice.
here, this logo, I want to make it circular. So how do I do? I'll add border radius here. You see, border radius of 50%. Okay, when I say 50%, it's going to mold it into circular. You see? Can you see that it has changed it to this? Okay. Now these ones, I can increase their font size. Okay, the social media, the list, the font size, I want to increase it. I want to give font size of maybe 170%. Or maybe let me use 1.7 em for emphasis. Refresh. See, now they are big. This is too much. Let's make it 1.0. See. Right. Okay. Now we can give them hover effect there. Okay. We want to hover. When we hover, we change the color. That's what we will do here. We'll copy this. Are you with me, boys? So I'll paste this one. Then I'll say lists. Then say social lists I. Okay, the I there. Okay. We want to give them hover property. Hover here. Hover. We want to over this. We want to change the background, the color. Okay, to white, F7, F8, F9. Save now. Refresh. See that? Or we can make it white. We need to make the text white or leave it this color. I'm asking you, we are designing together. Is this clear to us, boys? Hello, boys.
Yes,
Are you with me? What I'm saying is that is this okay, or we should change it?
No, sir, it is okay.
okay, sir.
Okay. So now that we have had, this is our nav, okay, the navigations. We can even decide to add some this simple rectangle here, okay, bar here, put contact and sometimes some things there, but we will leave it there. This is just to demonstrate. Okay, so once we have this, the next thing is to start styling the content. Inside the content, what do we have? Inside the content, I will remove this one. Okay, I want to get 2 divs there. First one, I will say aside, right? Say aside here. Aside here. And I will have another one here. Div again. I'll call this side L side, okay, R side. Or you can say right, call this one left, okay. Save now, let's look at this. Okay, what do we want to do now? Let's look at the heading. We have given it margin of 5 pixels. So the heading, padding of 10 pixels, margin 0 pixels per 2. Padding, see, padding is okay. So now we can call our main side. Okay, we can decide to put all of them. They are inside. Let me see. They are in the main. Yes. Okay. So we'll float them. I'll float, say left. This our class is so left. I'll say I'll give it a width of 30%. Float left. Okay, I will give it background color for now. Okay, I just want to use the background color. Later on, we'll change it to distinguish them. Okay, say light gray. So we will come back to the colors. This is just okay. This is just to distinguish them. But the main content also, I want to know the main, if it is class or ID, it's a class. So I'll say main, and I want to give it something similar to the margin 0 pixels. The width similar to this one. Paste it there. Let's see what we'll get. Okay. So margin 0 pixels to height. I'll call it minimum height. Let me give the margin of 20 pixels. 20 pixels separated. Then the right side. So remember, whatever we are doing, we are just styling. We can change anything. So here from 35, here I'll give it 65%. And float, can float that one also to the right. Okay, float to right, that. Okay, we'll give them give background color so that we will see where it lies. Okay, I will say which color. I'll give maybe light pink. These colors are not matching. Okay, don't worry about them. Don't worry about them. Okay. We'll come back to it. Okay, so this is what we have now. So we will just add more. Okay, we'll add content here. Then let me reduce this one to 25%. 5 and make this 70. So that's where we'll put the contents. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, Adnan. If you have a noise at
Sorry,
your
sir, it was my AC only. Sorry.
okay, no problem. So see now we have now had we are done with this. Okay, we have now pushed this one to this side. This is the name of the company. These social media links. Then these are the navigations. These navigations that we have, they are not linked. They are not yet linked. We'll put links there. Okay. So what we will do here, we'll construct one link and place there. Here, we'll just put a href is equal to the home dot lab, that will be the index.html, right? Then I'll close this one. Is that clear now? Save, copy this one, copy paste it here, and change this one to about.html. That will be the about page. Say about.html. Save. Same like this also here. Save. We change it to service.html. So services. Control S to save. Refresh the browser. You see the problem here is that because of the links, it has changed everything there. Okay, we will style it. We will style it because of about.html is visited. Okay, we'll see that. So now let's look at here also. We'll say contact.html, contact.html, then I'll say contact us. Contact us. And this one will be gallery, this one, gallery.html. HTML, I'll say gallery. Okay. So here, when I refresh, this one also will turn like this because of the links. Okay. So it is up to us to start changing the narratives. So how do we do that? I'll just scroll here, say nav UL. I'll come here just before the main. Say nav this one. Paste. Okay, what we are going to do is we want to remove the text decoration. Okay, what we are saying that if you go to the nav, okay, here, this is the nav container, there is a list item. Then inside the list, there is a UL list. Inside each list, there is a link there, okay? So that kind of link, we want to style it like this. We want to give color of the same color we have given here. Same color we have given in the header. Did you give color? What did you give the color? This color, same color. Copy. Where is that one? Then also we want to remove, I'll save now, look at this. Refresh, see the white is dead. But the problem we are having now here is the, okay. Okay, it's the hover property. Okay, we said when we hover over this, we can add the same thing here. So copy this one, add it here, okay, paste, then not this, should be this, add over, so that it will not change anything. So you see now, the color is still be there, but we have to change the text. We are going to change the color of the text here. Before, okay, the background color. Okay, so here I want to remove the text decoration. So text decoration of none. To remove that. Okay. But the problem we have in here is that if you hover it, okay, you will not see the text because it's white on this. So we will just give hover property there. We will give specific hover property, background color of white, the color of text. We will give this. Let's see. Okay, there's problem. We'll undo this. Okay. So the hover, it means this one, we can give it this different value here. Say over, we'll give it a color of blue, this color. Let's see. Copy this one. Okay, let's see. Okay. We want to have a blue color. This. Let me check from the header. This is the blue color. So we are saying that if you hover it, okay, we want it to have a color. Let's see. Okay, this is what I want it to be, but it's going to shadow the color. Okay. So let me remove this color. Save. Fresh. So upon hovering, this color that we will get. But this, yes, this one should, I think this one should be white color. Sorry. Save now. Okay, everything is okay. Okay, the background is what we are supposed to change. Let's fix this. So this, when we now we get this color, background color, no background color there. Okay. When we hover, we have a color of this. Color of this. The list item.
So,
Telling me that I did not finish. I have class now. I'm having class now.
this is the Wi-Fi.
Yes, Walid, I am having class. Can you go later? Come, okay?
What class? Grade 10.
Grade 10 now.
Grade 10?
Yes.
Yeah, so small.
So now let's continue. Let's see where the problem is. The problem is when we over it, we want the text color to be blue, okay? So let's see, text color of, when we hover over this, oh, the problem is here. I have not put the dot here. Save, refresh. Yes, it's working. Which color was from this one? Okay, we didn't put the, so it's not seeing all this over. Okay, so I think this is clear now. Okay. So we can give a transition, okay, transition property here. We can give a transition of okay, transition of 5 seconds, maybe 3 seconds. Okay, takes time to do that. Okay, the transition is only on. So let's put it also on the list. Okay. Copy, paste here. Transition 3 seconds. Takes time. See that 3 seconds is too much. Let's make it 2 seconds. Or 1.5 seconds. Six. Save now. See? Remember the transition that we did last time? Okay. This one also, we can add some transition there. If you want, we can add some transition. So now, in this content, that's where we will put our nav, maybe links and those things. Okay. I will say some important links here. Left here, I'll have H3, some important links here. So this is what we have here. Then we can just have UL here, LI, maybe I would say, what do we want us to put here? What do we want us to put here? Let me see. Let me see in the right, 70 float right. Let me float left and see. See, float left. This is cool. Okay, so we will give it margin. Margin 0 pixel. 0 pixel 20. Oh, maybe 10 pixels. 10 pixels. Save now. Okay. So now, boys, what do you think we should put here? We can put some content, some important links here. So when we click on about page, it should take us to about. It's not there, okay, because we have not created it. When I go to services, it should also take me there, but it's not there. See? Any question? I will give some padding. Five pixels. Okay. The other one also I will give 5 pixels. Five padding of 5 pixels. Right? Okay. Things are becoming clearer little by little. We are moving. Okay. We'll see how to add more content there. Clear? Now I want to pause here because we have less than 3 minutes. If anyone has a question, you can ask. Okay. Any question, boys?
No question, sir.
No question? Okay. We will continue to add more. Okay, we style it more and even better. Okay, as and when we think we have to add more, we will add this. Our logo, we can also add some hover property. When we hover over it, it should increase it or something there. Okay, you can give also border around it. This one also, if you make it white, it will be better. The text there, let's make it white. Then we see, yes. Let's see. Okay, this, okay. Is it okay, or the black is better? Or we should give any of this color?
No, sir, it is okay. This white is okay.
Okay, so let me try this color and see. I'll put another color here. If it doesn't work, I'll change it. Remember, we have color palettes that we are using. Okay, we have to use these colors. Okay, this is what we are getting. But I think on Thursday we'll continue. We have 1 minute left. Anyone with question?
No, sir.
What?
No question.
Say text transform. Up, capitalize. Okay.
Third period finish.
Okay. Save now. We want to capitalize a bit. Let's see. No. Let's say upper. 1 minute, boys. Uppercase. Save. Refresh. Is this okay? Inshallah, on Thursday we will continue. We will see if we will need to add more. We can add some text here, something to be moving here. Okay. Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam.